Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you that how you can turn off X sensitive content setting on your X app. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to open up your X app, then you have to go to on your profile. After that you have to click on settings and support, then you have to click on settings and privacy. So after doing so you have to scroll a little bit and click on privacy and safety, then you have to click on content you see. After that you have to click on search settings, then if this option is turned on you have to turn this option off. Hide sensitive content, you have to make sure that this option is turned off. Then you have to go back and click on sensitive media. After that you will find three options here. Graphics violence, you have to click on this and you have to check this option on show all. If this option is turned on, never show this, you have to check this option on for show all. Then you have to go back and click on adult content, then you have to do the same for show all on this option. After that you have to click on others, then you have to click on show all again. Now you're ready to go. Now you can see the sensitive content on your X app. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.